The city of Southlake rests in the middle of the Dallas-Fort Worth area with a population of approximately 31,000 individuals. These facts were found on World Population Review's website as of 2017. One significant thing that many people find when looking up the city of Southlake is the fact that they've built a reputation of high esteem. The city of Southlake works on ensuring that their residents live in the highest quality of safety and assurance. As the city of Southlake has focused on developing such a high reputation, there have been several instances where controversy has attacked that reputation. More specifically, for the academic year of 2018 and 2019, there were two separate instances where controversy was involving minors. Both times there were video evidence of minors engaging in racially insensitive acts. While the city was unable to be involved in some of these issues, they did, however, respond, informing surrounding communities and the residents of the community that this was not something they condoned and this was not something they supported. While many people applauded the city and the mayor for their response to the issue, there were several questions about why the city had not done more and why the city was not involved in handling the repercussions that were brought upon the students. There are many issues and factors that deal with that, but more specifically, this raised a research question of how should the municipality respond to racial issues and diversity within the community and its institutions? Understanding the sentiment on behalf of individuals living within the area is something that will definitely develop a strong foundation for how the city should approach these issues in the future. There were many platforms to attack this issue. First, it began with two open forums of discussion, the first one being Moms and Coffee, and then the second one being Dads and Brew. Both opportunities led to groups of residents within the city meeting together to discuss diversity, to discuss how the city should handle diversity, and to discuss what they expected from the residents within their group. While the city has a higher population of non-diversity, there is a huge growth occurring within the city, and this raises the comfort level and safety of those residents who are considered diverse. Do they feel safe to attend their schools because their city is responding to certain things? Of course, the city wants to maintain their reputation and ensure that high quality of living for their residents. So with the research question in hand and what the city was facing, this was given the perfect opportunity to develop two different aspects that would develop our research proposal. The city's city council and the mayor decided to develop a group of representatives, 33 individuals, who would be a part of the Mayor's Alliance of Unity and Culture. This alliance would allow residents within the community of the ages between 18 and approximately 33, the numbers still vary, as we have some residents who are able to come in as open forum representatives. But specifically, the 33 representatives engage in weekly meetings and then occasionally at the city council meetings to discuss diversity and how the city can better discuss diversity openly with their community. These representatives were selected by city council management, and the city mayor. These individuals collectively sat together and decided to pick individuals as representatives who were engaged within the community, who came from diverse backgrounds, and were willing to work alongside city management to ensure high quality living for the residents and guests of Southlake. While these representatives have esteemed themselves eligible to be a part of the Mayor's Alliance of Unity and Culture, they have also willingly participated in a focus group that would allow the city management to address these representatives and figure out some of the best ways to better handle racially insensitive issues in the future. The number one part about this focus group is that it will provide insight and hopefully structure ways to develop a more successful crisis strategy in the future. I hope that the focus group and the representatives themselves are able to provide insightful information that will develop the ability for the city to engage with their community openly and freely. The number one way to attack racial insensitivity within a community is definitely through open forum discussion. And that was something that was found through the general feedback given at the open forum programs that were conducted before. This opportunity to conduct a focus group would allow the city to provide to receive true insight into the opportunities that are at hand.